Right, guess what today is? Today is all about strength and cardio on the rebounder. All right, how many of you know, especially women over 50, we need to use weights, all right, because we lose muscle mass. So come on and join me today. Make sure that you have water and that you are warmed up. And let's go. Just start with a push down. Engage that core, make it tight, relax the shoulders, step side to side, just holding the weights for now. All right, now let's start with a push down on the mat, just pushing, and we're going to punch forward. Ready? Make sure you're engaging that core. Keep it tight. You can use whatever weights feels good for you. You keeping your knees a little bit bent. We don't want to lock the knees. All right, down. Keep pushing. All right, next we're going to do a half jack. We're going to go in and out with a lateral raise. So in, out. Your legs go out, your arms come up. I am jumping on the Jump Sport 550 Pro. I also have a Fit Bounce Pro. I like them both. All right, now let's do heels to the front with bicep curls. You can bring your arms this way, or you can do a hammer curl. All right. Try it both ways, see what feels good for you. Okay, get your feet going. Heel digs, and then bicep curls. You can also do both. If you want to do both, and you just want to do a bounce down, you can do both. I like to do opposite foot, opposite arm. You can start with just 1 pound weights, 2 pounds, 3 pounds. These are 5 pound weights. All right, let's do knees up with a 1 arm press. All right, so opposite knee, press up. You can turn your arms this way also. All right, got it? Okay, next we're going to do a little bit of the bent over. Uh-oh, here we go. Slightly bent, lean forward, flat back, and we're going to do a row to a fly. All right, hands up. So row to a fly. Let's go. No bouncing on this one. Row, fly, row, and a fly. Oops, row, fly. When you come up to the row, you're squeezing your shoulder blades together. All right, good. All right, next one. Going to shake that off. You're going to put these down for now. Let's put these down. Shake. And we're going to go down to the tramp. We're going to do push-ups, walking plank. Let's give it a try. If you want to do push-ups on your knees, that's fine, or you can do a straight leg push-up. All right, so we're going to do push-up, 1, 2, to a walking plank. Okay, again. Do and a walking plank. All right, if you need to drop it to your knees, that's fine. All right, good. All right, let's get back up on the tramp and let's do walk, and squat. Ready? Squat, push the hips back, squeeze as you're coming up, squeeze the glutes. Squeeze. Do about 8 of those. Okay, and let's do some pull downs to the side. All right, good. Now, just do a basic bounce. Shake it out just a little bit. And twist. Push down. Good. All right, now we're going to step off. One more time. This time we're going to do a step up and step down. Looks like this. Got to pick your feet up on this one. Switch, other leg. All right. Next, knee up. Here we go. Knee up. Switch. Knee up. Good. Now, you're going to do the second set. Grab the weights again. Push down, punch. Five, 6, 7, 8. Out. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heels. Knees up. Punch up. Woo! Feeling it today. Next one, the fly. Remember that one? The row with the fly. Arms, hands under, row, and fly. Let's finish strong. Okay, good. All right, shake it out. All right, let's just shake it out. A little joyful jump. And that's it for today. A little strength, a little cardio. Thank you for joining me. And don't forget to hit like, comment, share, and subscribe. Why haven't you subscribed? And please let me know what you want to learn. I'm adding new videos 2 to 3 times a week, and I love to hear from you. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. And we will see you next time. Bye.